If anyone else has the links to their apps, please put them in the chat. I really love seeing all the ones so far. And if anyone wants to present their app, feel free to like share your screen and present, because I really want to hear you guys talk about how you built these and show your process. Roshan, do you want to go and present real quick?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, awesome.
Give me a sec. So basically, the idea of my app is just like an app that can help you like just like generate outfits and ideas and stuff. So right here is a little wish list. So you can add items that you want, put the price tag and everything, like we're like the app you got it from. And then there'll be a link to where you can go to the store and buy it. Here what the idea was is you can upload clothes from your own closet, and then like the AI, it can like recommend some outfit ideas from your closet. So like if it's like sunny outside, it'll recommend clothes. If it's cold or cloudy, stuff like that. And then if you have a specific style you want to wear that day, then you got it right here, like streetwear, casual, baggy, like that. Friends, if you got friends, you can share it with them. They can share like ideas with you and stuff. And then right here, if you want to wear like clothes on a specific day, there's a little calendar here that you can put specific outfits on that day and stuff. And right here is where you would add the clothes to that. And that's it.
That's really impressive. Thanks so much for sharing. I'll definitely be using that. Like, I think it's really cool how you had your own idea and then you definitely implemented it in a very specific way. The functionality of the app is really good too. It's clear that you thought everything through. So thank you so much for sharing. Pranatush, do you want to go next?
Yeah. So there's 6 different tabs, and there's like a report issue just in case like if there's like a bug or something.
Mm-hmm.
You could report it. And there's an assignment tracker, add assignments, and it has stuff. It says assignment title, subject, and you fill all of that out, and then like it shows up on here where it says no assignments yet. So it's gonna show here. Then there's another one called AI Tutors. So basically, I have George on right now. So George, what he does is like he's like a non-academic dude. Like he just says like like if you ask him like stuff like what is happening, when is the next Super Bowl or something, he's gonna like say maybe like next year or something. He's like just a non-academic bot. So Sarah, on the other hand, is like helping with your academic stuff such as math, science, history, literature, and other stuff. So there's like 2 things, like 2 modes on the top. If you want George, you click this button, and if you want Sarah, you click this button. So then there's a study timer. So where you could like have your timers and it's gonna ring, and there's like a count of how many minutes you've done your studying sessions. And then here you could create stuff for like diagrams and stuff to help you like study, because like if you're a visual learner, then like you could use this a lot. So then you could customize your theme, because I have purple magic right now, and everybody has different preferences as themes, and you get to like slide. Like there's like ideas already picked if you want like neon cyber. There's a button here, and it gets your thing, and then it adds up. So then there's study guides. You could make your own study guide if you like. You just have to put the topic and if you're like a listening learner, then like or something like you learn from texts, then you could use this a lot. And down here is all the diagrams, all the assignments, study time, and study guides you did, and that's basically it.
That's really good. I really love how you included the two tutors, like George and Sarah. I thought that was a really interesting touch. But great overall with the app. It seems really helpful and looks like you really put a lot of thought into it. So amazing job. Um, Yakshit, you said you figured your issue out, so go ahead and present.
Okay, so mine is like game related. So I went for the solo leveling way, and this is my profile that shows my stats and my profile and what rank I am. It's not completely done because the XP doesn't work yet, so I need to fix that. And black means it's completed, white means it's not. So if I go into quest, I can press continue. That finishes my quest, and I can complete that, and then I can go into dungeons, which takes me to
Oh, wow.
like a whole other game. I use my arrow keys to control, and this my item,
Mhm.
and I have skills, and that's pretty much it.
Wow, nice. I really love how it took you into like a separate game that you can play too. I thought it was just going to be a tracker for a second, but that was really cool. So great job with that. That was really interesting and creative. So yeah, Ryan?
Can I present mine?
Oh, yeah, go for it.
Okay, so my app is a sleep app that can help you schedule your sleep. There's a AI thing. It's like Luna, your sleep buddy. So there's 5 different tabs: my sleep plan, reminders, sleep progress, my rewards, and tips and fun facts. For the my sleep plan, you can choose. You can click on the clock and choose a time you want to go to bed. You can also choose a time you want to wake up. And you can like drag a slider to choose how many hours of sleep you want, and then you can add reminders. And then you can save it down here. If you go to the reminders tab, this is just notifications and then you can change your reminder sound. Sleep progress is just tracking all your sleep that you've done. So days tracks, and then you have your average sleep. And then the rewards tab is reward you can get by using the app. So turning on reminders, you can the first time you use it and like doing it for a total amount of days in a row. And then there's a tips and fun facts tab, which is it has a bunch of facts for sleep. And then there's tips and facts, and then there was like an AI message every day.
Oh, I know. I was looking at that one. I was like, I really love the whole theme of that and the concept. I definitely need to be tracking my sleep schedule with how crazy it is. Fatima, do you want to go real quick?
Oh, my name's actually Tahir.
Oh, right, Tahir. I'm sorry. I keep forgetting.
It's okay. So, let me share my screen. So this is my app. It generates practice questions for different topics. So it's not completely like finished yet because there's still like some bugs with it that I need to fix. But there's like you can select a subject. So math, science, history, English or grammar, and logic puzzles. So let's say I select science, and then I can choose one of these topics, and I can also select a difficulty, and they're also like a point system. So if you like choose harder questions and get them correct, you can get more points. So then I can start my practice session, and it would give me a question, and if I get it correct, it would give me more points. And also, there's a profile which there's like a system like with levels. So if you get enough points, you advance to the next level, and it shows you the amount of points you have and your current streak. And there are like badges you can earn, and like it shows you your weaknesses and what else, like what you should study and what you're like doing, what are your strengths, etc. So there's also themes that you can choose, like light, dark, neon, and as you continue to advance, you can unlock more themes and you can create your own custom theme. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. There's still some other things like this adaptive study mode and quick challenge, but they're not completely working yet, so I'm going to fix those and then it'll be even better. So, I mean, that's pretty much it for that.
Great job. Like, honestly, you guys are so impressive. Just seeing these apps is like, you're putting my own app to shame. So good job with everything that you guys accomplished today. I really hope that you are all able to build apps that you think are going to be useful for you and want to build more on in the future. But thank you everyone for presenting.